Interested in learning full stack, backend or front-end development? Well, this is the channel for you. In this channel, we will cover both the front-end fundamentals, the backend in whatever technology you choose, and we are going to go all out to full stack, where we use either the LAMP stack, the MAN stack, the Mean stack, the Maven stack, which is with Vue.js, the PHP way for the old school guys, Java and Spring, and we are going to choose either Django or Flask. So if that sounds interesting to you, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss out when I release a new video. Hello there guys, and welcome to Fortune Codes. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can push your code from your local PC up to your GitHub repo. So right here I have a simple basic website. It just has the index.html, a style.css, and an app.js. So just three files, and it's just nothing, just a basic website that says hello GitHub, and we are going to push this from our PC up to GitHub. So all you need to do is open up your browser, go over to your GitHub, quick disclaimer guys, for this to work you need to have git installed. Okay, fair warning, this is what will allow you to push your code from the PC to GitHub. So but if you don't have it, just come over to this website and download for whichever version, for Windows, for Mac, whichever version that you're using. So the first step to pushing your code to GitHub, once you are on your GitHub, tap this button to create a new repository. Okay, type in the name, the description, which is optional. I'm just going to call it sample website. Sample website, nothing fancy. Repository name, I'm going to do the same, sample website. Okay, you skip adding a readme and just do create a repository. Okay, this is where you'll find some very important information about how to push your code. From here, just close up the browser, open up a terminal. I'm using git bash, which is like the git terminal for Windows. So type in pwd to show you your current working directory, which is users, whatever username you chose for your PC. Okay, so I need to cd into, which cd in full stands for change directory, so I need to cd into the sample website. Okay, cd sample website. I should make this larger, so I should make this larger. Full screen. Hope you can see we started by checking our directory. We cd'd into the current list, which contain our files. So I'm just going to list the files in here, so you can see the index.html, main.js, and the styles.css. So we're going to initialize. Let me clear out all this code. Going to initialize. Okay, we initialized a git repository in our current directory. Now I'm going to add all the files that are in this directory. So git add period, and run that. All the files have been added. To check this, I'll just type in git status. Okay, it should show me the files that have been added to our commit and they are ready to be committed. So I type in git commit -m first commit. And I just run that. Okay, from there you are just ready to push your code to your repository. So head over back to your GitHub account and then copy this URL. Copy it. Once it's copied, get back to your terminal. I'm going to clear this. Okay, then type in git remote add origin and then paste in the URL that we just copied. Paste, then type enter. Just like that, we are ready to push all our code to GitHub. So the last step is to git push -u origin master. Okay. Make sure you don't leave a space like I did. Git push -u origin master. It's going to ask you for your login password and your username and the password. It's compressing. Okay, I have no idea why it didn't ask me to, but maybe this information was already saved. So I'm going to go back to my GitHub profile. Okay, yeah, that's it. The website is already on GitHub. Here's my index.html, main.js, and style.css sample website. But for your case, it should ask you for your GitHub username and your password. Once you do that, the code should be successfully